Well, hello there, Mr. James. How you doing? This is 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗰𝗹. Listen, I just created your account, and I'm going to be sending that to you. That way you can log in. And what I wanted to do, I also wanted to create this video, what I call a launch video, that you can have, because what I understand with being in this industry for as long as I have, even though this is not MLM, this is not network marketing, this is not no type of gifting or any type of illegal pyramid scam. This is an actual bank, okay? But this is the bank that we own, and we dictate the outcome here because the money comes to us. This is a decentralized bank. It's the people's bank is what we like to call it. And all that's involved is everybody doing a one-time execution that no one's ever required to do again, ever. And as this is being duplicated forward with everybody just doing it once, okay? As new people are coming on board, everybody doing it once, okay? It's scaling all of our residual cash flow. That is the solution to this bank, where many other digital banks and digital wallets, have different services and features that it provides that we bring our economic value to, and it services us in the capacity that that operation or ecosystem is designed to service us, okay? But we're the ones that are creating the billions of dollars with those companies because our economic value based on the business that we're doing with that particular operation. This bank, the solution is scaling our residual cash flow. And cash flow is vitally important, folks, because it's money that's coming in working for more money, okay? Without you having to do any more physical work or labor. Everyone's labor is only involving 3 others to get in line after them that do the same, okay? Now, I want to go in and show you the numbers, but this is how we want to launch, because we believe it's better to launch in business versus just join, okay? So my game plan, when I get a brand new person, we want to launch you in business. See, when Apple is looking to launch, the iPhone, or put it out there, they always launch. They give you a launch date, and they create a lot of momentum. Okay, we're doing the exact same thing, just we're doing it strategically, and in the process, it's really going to have you and those of your launch team to going to be launching with money already coming in with everyone. So this is what I want everyone to do. Okay, and I'm gonna go in the back office and show the transparency of this. So this is your launch team. So right now, we just want everybody to go into the free system, okay? You get a free system. I'm gonna show you how that's done here, to where we just want you to go in your account and create an account for the 3 that are gonna come in line after you, okay? Now, as you're doing that, it's literally gonna show you the money that you're gonna have at that point with just the 3 accounts that you create with the 3 friends or 3 others that's coming in line after you. It's gonna literally show you the money that you would have once we go live, okay? Now, we wanna set a live date, and I'll get to that in a second. So we want these guys to do the exact same thing. What? Create a free account for their 3 that are coming in line after them. And they're gonna see money. And as they are seeing money, guess what? More money is gonna be coming to you, because that's how the system operates. When 1 makes money, 10 make money, right? So then with those accounts that they create, that's gonna be a total of 9. We want those 9 to do the exact same thing. Everyone create 3 accounts in their account, okay? Now, yes, we can get into talking about doing more, but that's down the line. Right now, we just want to get launched. Now, when that happens, when it's all done, basically, you are going to end up with 96. Your 3 are going to end up with 47, and your friends' friends is what I call it, which is their friends. They're going to be at 35. Okay, but all you guys are going to see that you're going to have money. So when we come and launch, okay, now if you want, yes, you can have more, but at least I want this to be the foundation. I like to call it the Superstar 12, if you would. So that's what you want to do. In the free system, you create 3 accounts under your account, and then have those 3 do the exact same thing. Each of them can create 3 accounts after them in their free system. And then those 9 create 3 accounts in their free system. And they're going to see money. They're going to see money and its scale. You're going to see money and its scale. Okay? And now we want to choose a launch date. Okay? So let me share my screen. And we're going to do a launch for your team when we go live with your team here. Where's my launch? Here we go. Okay. So today is the 10th, and let's say we do a launch either on the 14th or the 16th, where everybody can then get their monies together. Remember, it's a one-time out of pocket, okay? That everyone's only required to do one time, and everyone's gonna have 3 come in line and do the same, okay? So let me go to the monies here, because I wanna show, so I know you may be showing this to your launch team so they can see how the money unfolds here. Now in our operation, those of you guys that are launching with James, okay, allow me to be the one that does all the talking right now. For those of you guys that are launching with us. I've been doing this now for 14 months, okay? I just had a team in Czechoslovakia. They launched with over hundreds of people that got in line, everybody doing a one-time execution. They're going mad crazy right now because everybody made money in one freaking day, okay, when they launched. And when you have multiple people, tens and hundreds of people all receiving money, I mean, you can't shut them up, right? We don't want them to be quiet, okay? We want them to be screaming this from the rooftops like we have been. So I want you guys to understand, when 1 makes money, 10 make money here. Let me minimize this so it can be out of the way. When 1 makes money, 10 make money. And there is no skill set needed. There's no delayed gratification because money is paid out instantly. And every account scales your bank residually. These are the other highlights. No one gets left behind because everybody's receiving money instantly. There's no delayed gratification. Everyone's just only having 3 get in line after them who duplicate with 3, just one time, okay? No one is required to do any more work. No one is required to involve any more people. All accounts after you sends you money instantly and residually. And we're able to withdraw your money daily, 7 days a week. Now, the reason why it's cash flow, okay, because that's what we're talking about, residual cash flow, money that's coming in month after month with scale that you're not working for, that your friends are not working for, that their friends are never having to work for and do anything else after they've done their one-time strategic plan of action, which is the one-time execution, just having 3 partners duplicate with 3 one time. Everybody's doing this right here, and they're only doing it one time, okay? Now, let me show you how this unfolds. Now, this is with your launch team, okay? So when you do it, James, you know, when you add those 3 accounts, boom, you're gonna see $35, okay? Now, we're doing this in the free system right now until we launch, because the free system is gonna show you what your money's gonna be when those 3 launch in line with you. Then guess what? Your 3 are gonna do the same thing, right? They're gonna put in 3 accounts. Each of them are gonna receive $35, just like you did. See, it's with mathematical certainty, okay? And predictability. But watch this, as they were receiving $35, you were receiving deposits as well that scaled you to $47, okay? Again, this is not with you putting in more accounts. This is with your 3. Remember, when 1 makes money, 10 make money. So our solution here, what we're doing here, folks, we are bringing our economic value together with everybody doing a one-time out of pocket. But as we are strategically bringing our economic value together, folks, it is increasing everybody's residual cash flow. See, we are our biggest asset. Our biggest asset is us. Don't let other people control the narrative that just because we're involving our friends mean that it's a pyramid scheme. No, it's not. Okay? If you're looking at this and you're calling it a pyramid scheme, it just tells me you don't know what a pyramid scheme is. Okay? But just trust us on this one. Just allow this to happen for you because it's going to happen. No ifs, ands, buts about it. And I'm going to go to the back office. I'm going to show it to you. Now, so then guess what? So now those others, which is your friends, they do the same thing. Go in their free account. Each of them create 3 accounts. Guess what? They're all going to receive $35, just like your friends did, just like you did as well, James. But watch, as they were doing that, it scaled your $3 to $47, independent of their involvement. It's going to scale you to 96, independent of your involvement. How powerful is it when we launch, okay? Everyone in there is going to be receiving money on launch day. That's when it goes pandemonium crazy. And as your friends have seen money, your friends have seen money and more money, and you as well. Watch what happens when we go live and everyone starts getting the word out. This is what takes place. So now this is your friends. They're doing the same thing. They received 35, just like everyone else did. But watch this. It scaled their money. It's going to scale your friends' money. It's going to scale your money. Then their friends are going to get a part of this. We're going to call that G5, which is generation 5. Okay? They're going to receive, just like everybody else did, your friends' money scales. Your friends' money scale. Your friends' money scale. And yours does too. This happens every single time. Okay? These guys here, same thing. Scale, independent of their involvement. These guys here are doing it one time. Everybody money scales. These guys here are doing it one time. Everybody money scales. These guys here are doing it one time. Everybody money scales. These guys here are doing it one time. Everybody money scales. Guys, this is not one of the operations where it's just those at the top making money. You guys are seeing everybody's money scale. And everyone here started just like these guys. So everyone's going to receive up in total of over 88,000 digital wallets after them, okay, from this day forward. And it's residual because everybody's doing a $28 subscription that doesn't start for 28 days. But if you understand, everybody will, from their first 3 receive 35. Is 35 higher than 28? Yes. So see why you're never having to come out of pocket anymore. And simply as everyone's doing their one-time execution, they're covering their subscription. Let me read the fine print. Your 3 that you receive instantly from their activation covers your subscription of $28 a month. The AI is set up to where every co-op wallet after you and your friends sends you and them deposits that are engineered to come residually month after month as this duplicates forward to a mathematical certainty week after week or less, ladies and gentlemen. Because our cooperative partnership dictates however fast and whatever pace this thing moves at. See, this could be weeks here, folks, but it can also be days. It can also be hours. See, we dictate. Okay? So let me go to the back office and let me show you what I'm literally having you guys do. And come this day, we're going to launch either on the 14th or the 16th. You guys let me know either one of those days because I do an overview on both of those days. Okay? So let's come back here. So this is our launch team. You are going to create 3 accounts. Those 3 are also going to create 3 accounts. And then these 9 are going to create 3 accounts. Okay? We're going to do it in the free system. And then come launch day, then we'll all activate our accounts. then it's real money. And it's real money. We don't do volume. We don't do points. We don't do credits. It's all real money, just like in your wallet or in your purse. So let me go to the free system and show you exactly what everybody's to do, okay? That's going to be participating in the launch. So you guys let me know if we're going to launch on the 14th or the 16th. And, well, actually, let me give you, the money so everybody know what the monies are here. All right, so you have two methods that you can get yourself started. You can get started what we call the starter option, which is a one-time out-of-pocket of approximately $45. It's $38 plus exchange fees, so it's gonna be approximately $45. It's a one-time out-of-pocket, okay? It's gonna activate your co-op wallet, okay? That's gonna give you global digital ownership rights. And immediately when you do that, money is immediately paid out to your inviter and to 9 others prior. Remember what we said, when one makes money, your inviter, 10 make money because 9 others also are going to make money prior, okay? So then we have the pay it forward method where you're going to pay it forward for your 3, and this eliminates any maybes or any guesswork, okay? So I love when we eliminate maybes and eliminate any guesswork. That lets us know we have real partners that want to scale their cash flow, okay? I always say, I know everybody you may think needs this, but we're not going after the needy right now, ladies and gentlemen. We're not going after anyone that needs faith to do this. We're not wanting anyone that needs a certain level of motivation to do this. This is a one-time execution that everybody's only required to do one time. This is an execution. And we're just looking for strategic partners that will execute. Because we don't want no hindrances or no kumbayas. We don't want nobody needing hoopla or hype, because this is going to take place and function as advertised. So you choose which one you want to do. Got it? So let's bounce out of this and go here. All right, make sure I'm still logged in. Now, James, what I did, I just created another demo account and I just named it with your name, okay? So this is not your actual account, but I just want to show you exactly what to do. So when you log in, everybody's login is going to be their email address that they used. So when you create the 3 accounts, you're going to send them the email address, and the password is always 123456. Everybody's going to see their own unique registration key. I'm going to send you the Getting Started Right YouTube video that I have. That way everybody can watch it and know how to get started correctly, okay? So you're going to come down here. You see your numbers are at zeros. So remember I said everybody's going to come down and create 3 accounts. You're going to do it right here where it says invite. So let's say we're going to do friend. So friend 1 account. Now, of course, you're going to be putting their names in. I'm just letting you know what to do here. So friend 1 account and friend 1 account at coopcf.com. Now, guys, I want you guys to see that you guys make money on every account. There is no waiting on a certain number of accounts before you make money. You're making money with every account that opens after yours. Your only involvement is 3 friends that come after you that are also going to duplicate. Their only involvement required is just what? 3, okay? So watch this. That's as if I'm just adding that account of friend 1. And when the screen loads here, when that transaction completes, folks, in the live system, it's going to be real money. But this free account is literally showing you, okay, how this thing performs and operates. See that 1175? When it's in your active account, that's going to be real money. When we go live, so far there's going to be 1175. And once we get to the 10x, because we have another division of our bank that we organically scale to, okay, from the cash flow that we generate, it upgrades us to the co-op 280 bank that we have with our bank here, okay? And that's when you start receiving 10x the amounts that you're receiving in the standard, okay? But right now, we're just focused on the standard, and everybody's going to upgrade together as their money accumulates. They'll go to the 280, and then you're 10xing your results while you're still receiving from the standard version. So this money is still going to be coming in for you and duplicating, as I showed you back here, okay, when we were when I was showing you how the money unfolds here, okay? Now let's go back. So now we just created one account. So if you want to check that one account, you go where it says GBO team, you go to co-op build, you'll see there's that friend one. But of course, you're going to be putting in, you know, your friends, or, you know, if you're adding businesses or nonprofits or whatever, you're going to have their information there with their email address. Got it? And everybody's going to be sent their own registration key that the system populates automatically. Okay? And so this register key allows us to send money from co-op wallet member to co-op wallet member. Okay? Because again, folks, it's the bank. So you can send member to member, and to do that, you're gonna need their registration key to do that. Okay? All right, so let's go back to the dashboard here. And close that, come down here. Now I'm gonna add 3 accounts, or 2 more accounts rather. Let's add friend 2 account, friend 2 dot account at coopcf.com. Okay, and we're gonna do, let's do friend 3 account at coopcf.com. And that's it. Those are the 3 accounts, right? So 65389. That's all right here, what I want everybody to do that's launching with you. We're doing it in the free system because I want everybody to see the results that they're going to have when we launch live. So right now, okay, with you activating the account and those 3, go back here to the co-op build, okay? With these guys launching an account, doing a one-time out-of-pocket of either 45 or the 115, okay? Okay, they're gonna instantly have you receiving the $35 that you see here. But please understand, you were not the only one that received money in this example. Also, more results went to your inviter, their inviter, their inviter, and their inviter, etc. Okay? Now, so what's going to happen? Oops, sorry, I hit the wrong thing there. Okay. I'm just hitting the wrong buttons here. So, okay. So now, James, so now I'm going to take, let's say we're taking one of your friends in this example. Okay. I'm not going to do all 3. I'm just going to do 1. But each of your 3, they're going to do this now in their system. So their login again is going to be whatever the email that they sent you, that you put them in with, and the password is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let me go back to your dashboard here. Just wanted to copy that account. Now I'm going to go to a different window. Let's go here. Now I'm going to log into that account that we just created, which was friend 1. Now we're going to log into friend 1. And this is what everybody's going to get when they log into their account for the first time. Okay? You're going to just confirm all these terms and conditions. And when this comes up, just hit X, okay? You see it says friend 1, but of course it's going to be your teammate's name is going to be up there, right? And there's their URL link that has their registration key connected to it, right? So if I brought up this website, just so you can see it, notice how it's going to have their name on the website with their registration key. See, it all gets automatically created for us, okay? It's the real system, guys. There's no Mickey Mouse thing here. So those three friends, I'm just going to do one, but each of those three are going to do the exact same thing, just like here. So this is what's happening. So you've done your three, you put them in the free system. Now they're going to do the same thing. And then when they create their accounts, they're going to have them do the same thing. Okay. So let's go back. Close that. All right. What we got here? Okay, yeah. So they're going to create three accounts, okay? So I'm just going to create three accounts really fast here. Let's do Tiger Woods. Tiger Woods dot at coopcf.com. All right, let's do Elvis Business dot at coopcf.com. And we're going to do Charles Barkley at coopcf.com. Okay. So this is just as friend one is created his three accounts. Okay. And just like with mathematical certainty, when you have three accounts open, 306, okay. I'm gonna hit invite there, and bada boom, bada bing, you're gonna see 35, okay? Just like you saw in your account, James. From up here, you see friend one got the same results. You see that. But now let's bounce back to your account, because as friend one was receiving money, this is your account. Remember, we weren't doing anything in your account. And watch this, I'm gonna hit refresh and watch your money scales. Do you see that you have more money? Okay. See, folks, us bringing our economic value together is gonna increase our cash flow. You're just looking for strategic partners that will do a one-time execution. We don't need no one to have faith. We don't need no one to have motivational belief. No, we don't need anybody to pray about it. We're just looking for three that are gonna execute. We're coming together, okay, growing this global bank. And as we strategically duplicate this plan of action, as folks are getting in line after us, creating accounts, it's going to scale everyone's cash flow. The same thing is happening for us, same thing that's going to happen for you, same thing is going to happen for everybody else from this day forward, okay? So that's the whole launch strategy there that we want to do. Now, also, I want to just highlight this, because some people ask, well, what is the product? The product is the digital wallet. Is a digital wallet a product? Well, let me just have you to understand and be educated just a little bit. You heard of this company called PayPal, right? Let me go to the early history of PayPal, okay? So in 1998, December 1998, PayPal was formerly created as FieldLink, later renamed Confinity, a company that had developed security software for handheld devices. Having had no success with that business model, those handheld devices, having had no success with that business model, it switched its focus to what? What is that? That is called a digital wallet. Digital wallet is a service and a product, folks. See, the ingenious about this business is that we're bringing our economic value together, just like we've done with PayPal. It was a friend referring a friend that referred a friend that referred a friend that referred a friend that referred a friend. And let me just share with you where PayPal is right now, just in case you guys are not aware. PayPal. Right here. PayPal. I want to share with us 20 statistics about PayPal. Okay, our economic value. Look, it's 429 million active accounts as of March 2022. Okay, PayPal's annual revenue is what, folks? 25 billion. Okay, 25 billion. Okay, so digital wallets is the modern day gold rush. Here's another piece of information. Go to this website called Investopedia. It's basically the encyclopedia of money. Okay. It shares here, right here. what is a digital wallet? So it breaks all that down, okay? But let me come down here and it shares with us right here. Types of digital wallets, okay? You guys heard of a Cash App, that's a digital wallet. You guys heard of Apple Pay, that's a digital wallet. Google Wallet, Samsung Pay, PayPal, Venmo, Walmart Pay. See, folks, digital wallets is, it is today's gold rush. Okay. If you know about anybody with the gold rushes, it was those people that received the most money that that saw this thing way further ahead. See, the money is not in the cryptocurrency, folks. Okay. See, that's in speculation. The money is not in trading. The money is in digital wallets, folks, because nothing can be done. No transaction can be transacted. Everything has to be facilitated through what? A digital wallet. Okay. So this digital wallet that we have is just going to be paying us and our friends and our friends' friends and our friends' friends from this day forward. God, I'm excited. Okay. So let's do that. And again, let's set a launch date here. Let's get back to that. Let's set a launch date here. Let's launch on the 14th or the 16th. So today's the 10th. And let's get, those accounts here. As we mentioned, first of all, you, James, are going to create it. And then your three are going to create, each of them create 3. And then those 9 create. Now, of course, if you want to do more the merrier, obviously. And as we're adding that, you're going to see all these people make money. Guys, I had hundreds of people in Czechoslovakia just this week here on Tuesday that launched. They launched with over 116 people, okay? And all 116 of them scaled in their residual cash flow. They'll never have to worry about having money ever again for the rest of their days. That 116 is going to turn into thousands, okay? And thousands more. This is a decentralized operation, folks. We're hedging against having our own bank, okay? Now, some people ask, well, what do we do for taxes? You have to consult your own tax consultant, okay? I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a tax advisor. I'm not a licensed tax preparer or anything like that. Please consult your financial advisor or your tax consultant. Now, I do receive the money as income, so I do pay taxes on the money because I receive most of my money as income, okay? And you have to pay taxes when you're using it as income. So that gives you some idea of just what I do, but you consult your tax advisor and do what you want, okay? Me, I don't mind paying taxes, with income that's, has some commas in it, okay? So I didn't worry about taxes because I know what the income is. So I'm okay with paying the taxes that I pay, right? Because when you're paying more money, when you're making more money, you don't have to worry about paying the taxes, if that makes sense. All right, guys, I just don't want to see you guys at the top. I look forward to seeing each and every one of you scaling in your cash flow. And most importantly, we want to see you over the top. Take care. God bless.